Launching an email campaign inside EmpowrSoft is one of the most effective ways to engage your contacts, stay top of mind, and drive real results. Whether you're promoting a service, sharing an update, or nurturing leads, a well-built email campaign can significantly improve conversions. Let's walk through the full process, from selecting a template to sending your campaign, step by step. Step 1. Start from an email template. Every successful email campaign starts with a strong template. Think of your template as the blueprint. It sets the structure, design, and tone for all future emails. How to choose a template. Navigate to Marketing. Emails in your EmpowrSoft dashboard. Click the Templates tab. Click New. Select Email Marketing Templates. From here, you can browse available templates, search by keyword, filter by layout or use case, preview any template to see how it looks and feels before committing. Once you've found the right template, click Continue to open it in the email editor. This action creates the template and opens it directly in the builder. Pro tip: templates save time and ensure brand consistency. One well-built template can power dozens of campaigns. Step 2. Edit the email template. This is where customization happens and where your brand truly comes to life. How to edit your template. Navigate to Marketing. Click Emails, then click Templates. Open your selected template in the email editor. From here, you can edit text and headlines, swap images or add brand visuals, adjust layout, spacing, and buttons, align messaging with your brand voice. When finished, click Save Template. Test before you send. For quality control and peace of mind, click the three-dot action menu. Select Test Email. Enter sender details and recipient emails. Click Send Test Email. Review the email in your inbox to confirm formatting, links, and messaging. Once approved, click back to return to the email dashboard. Your template is now campaign ready. Step 3. Create an email campaign from a template. Now it's time to send your message to the right audience. Option A. Create a campaign from the Campaigns tab. Navigate to Marketing, Emails, Campaigns. Click New. Select Template. Option B. Create a campaign directly from a template. Go to the Templates tab. Click the three-dot action menu next to your chosen template. Select Create Campaign. Both options will open your selected template inside a campaign. Send or schedule your campaign. With the campaign open, click Send or Schedule. Configure your campaign settings. Select Recipients or Smart List. Enable tracking, opens, clicks, etc. Confirm sender details. Click Review and Send. Once sent, you'll see the status update from Sending to Sent. Congratulations, you've successfully launched an email campaign in EmpowrSoft.